Lexmoto Venom SK125-22. What to do if you can't turn the motorcycle on. So as an example now, if I turn the key, it's in neutral, it's on center stand. I should turn on motorcycle easily, but unfortunately this doesn't do anything anymore. So most likely my switch is gone. So in case your start button doesn't work to start the motorcycle, what can you do is what I did. So simply turn your key in as normal. The lights meant to be lit up and your motorcycle should be ready to go. But if your starting key doesn't work, what you can do is find a small hill like this one. Perfect. It's not too high, not too big, but it's just enough to start the motorcycle. But what people used to do as a Kickstarter. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn my lever in so we'd be able to change the gear. So it changes to the first gear, and now I'm gonna roll down the hill and I'm gonna release that lever so my engine will start automatically because it's already wheels turning and turning the whole engine system. Ready, steady, let's go. What about that? So this is the way how to start your motorcycle if your starter button doesn't work. But in my case, all what was happening that the connection here was slightly disconnected, so I pushed it back and it works just fine. And this is how it's done. You're welcome.